Hi, everyone. So today we're going to show you how to recover um, Mac OS from a time machine that was previously made. The customer needs his data, he needs his images, not only the photos, he needs his system, all the programs that he has. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking a drive for him, and I'm going to take the time machine, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This computer is especially for we keep it in our shop for recovering data for customers, or for restoring images from time machine. So the customer, we already built a time machine for him in case of an emergency, because he needs his computer for work, for business. So when he came last time, we created a time machine for him, backup. So in case of a failure, we will be able to get him up and running. I'm not even going to connect the battery. So we're going to take the time machine backup, and we're going to show you how to do it. First of all, you plug the time machine backup, and the time machine backup should be bootable. You press the ALT option key, and the window will open. The computer will turn on, and you will have the ability to choose where to boot from. And it is backup time machine here. Okay. And we're going to use this, and we're going to wait. It will take some time to load because it's an old hard drive. So we'll pause the video from time to time, and I will let you know once it starts. Okay, so now it's loading. You can see that it's loading. And once it will finish loading, we'll get back to you on the next stage. So yes, it does take some time to load the backup. If you have old hard drive, obviously it will be way faster if you will have an SSD. But this was a kind of a backup that we didn't know if we're going to use, but so we left it as a spare just in case. And eventually, yeah, we needed to use. So time is not really a matter for us right now. The most important thing to get the customer back with all his programs running. Then, as you can see here, the next stage, the apple will pop up, and we should be done. It did take some time, about 5 to 7 minutes to load. And what's good in it, you don't need to have anything. All you need is the time machine backup. Okay, so now we have the recovery, and once it will load, we are going to erase the disk. We're going to go to disk utility, and I like to erase the disk. Why? Because we don't need it. We want the customer to have exactly the same operating system as she had before. So we're going to erase. We're going to erase this one as well. Yeah, it does take some time, so okay, erase. I like to erase everything, so we'll not have anything here. Erase, erase. And we're going to do here. And we are going here to do partition this. Wait a minute, this one is a partition. Yeah, Mac is always complicated. Partition. Cancel. Erase again. Erase. Okay, so it's already an APFS, but I'll erase it again just in case. Okay. And after finishing it, we go back to time machine. We close this. Okay. and restore from time machine, and we'll have to continue, and we will need to locate the time machine, which is in the disk that we booted from. So it is searching for time machine. It's already found it. Continue. Restore. Looking for Mac OS system backups. Okay, it's already found the date of the backup. Next. And we are going to do it in the title data. We're going to put it here. Because we formatted it, we're going to do restore. Erase disk, obviously, yes, because we want to have everything. File wallet, okay, we don't need file wallet, we don't need anything. Preparing to restore Saint-Luc. Okay, now it will restore. Probably it will take some time, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depend on the size. I think it's not that full, but it will probably take at least 30-40 minutes. Mac is kind of slow. So I will get back to you from time to time, so you will not be bored. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and now it is restoring. You can see the process. As you can see, it can take some time when it comes to Mac. Yeah, so probably it's not the correct time, but once it will be ready, I will show you what to do next. So yeah, after about an hour, that's the screen that we received, finishing, and now it's restarting. That's nice. So now it's restarting, and we should be able to go back to the operating system. Obviously, I don't want you to see the username if there is, so, but I do want you to see the process. So after finishing, we should be able to have the same operating system that she has on a different computer, and once she will come, or once the customer will come, we will just take the SSD and put it in his computer. He doesn't lose time. You just come in, and that's about it. Yeah, it continues. It does take some time to restore, but that's a way to save time and just to restore to disk just by having another MacBook. Sadly, the new MacBooks, they don't have a removable SSD. It's all stamped to the board, so once the motherboard fail or anything else fail, you lost everything. So you need to make sure to have a backup. Always make sure you have a time machine backup. That's one thing that Apple has that is good, the time machine. It's an image of the system. You can always restore it to a new one. That's about it. Just make sure you have a backup. Don't use Apple without backup. Don't. Oh, it's finished, and it went back to the user folder. That's just like that. Now we have the whole operating system as it was. I hope this video will help you up restoring from a backup when you don't have the computer. You don't need to have the computer. You just need to have one other MacBook that you can put the SSD in, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.